We're making hot dogs in the air fryer for lunch. It's Friday and we're playing at a revival tonight at a church. It's not too far from here, but we're gonna have to leave kind of early, of course, to go set up the drums and all that. So we've got about 4 hours before we have to leave to go pick up the drums and all. And it has been requested that I make an apple pie. The kids were looking in this book earlier. It's a book from 1961, Amy Vanderbilt's Complete Cookbook. And I guess this made them want some apple pie. So we're gonna make this recipe. I'm pretty sure our friend Brenda gave this to me. I have already ready refrigerated pie crust, so the hardest part will be slicing up the apples.
On the hot dog.
Can you hand me that little metal scoop? They're almost done, they're in the air fryer. There's a metal scoop over there beside the bean crusher, coffee bean crusher. I'm filling this up with some more ice water for them to take back outside. They're working on the barn again today. Okay, so that's how they look in the air fryer. Okay.
Start.
There we go. You can toast the buns in the air fryer too for just like a minute or two. We'll see how they are. They look pretty good. All right, we're gonna start this pie, but I'm looking at this ingredient. 3 tablespoons strong tea. I put some water in here and put this tea bag. It doesn't say what kind of tea, so I'm just using black Louisiana, where's it at? Louisiana tea. I've already got some butter rubbed onto my pie plate here, and we'll go ahead and put the bottom of the crust in. What year did I say this was? It's I think it was 1961. Yeah, I smell that tea. Right there, copyright 1961. The edges of these pages look really old fashioned, like it looks like it's older than even a 1961 cookbook. So we'll put this crust down. Now, I've been letting my crust sit out for a little while, and I'm gonna try, hang on, this one's gonna wanna mess up on me a little bit here. I'm gonna try to put a design on the top crust. We'll see if it'll work. It's pretty, I might need to put it back in the refrigerator for just a few minutes while we get the apples and all ready. There's our bottom. Now the bottom doesn't have to be perfect because we're going to be covering it up with the top one anyway. Now I'll just put this one in the refrigerator for a few minutes while we get the other stuff ready. That way it'll roll out a little easier for us. Okay, let me grab a bowl. We're going to combine the sugar, spices, salt, flour, tea, and lemon juice in here. Okay, we need half a teaspoon ginger. Quarter teaspoon nutmeg. 1 teaspoon cinnamon. And a quarter teaspoon of salt. That's all the dry ingredients. We'll whisk those together. Alright, and it said 3 tablespoons of strong tea. So we've got our strong tea here. We'll put in 3 tablespoons. And a tablespoon of lemon juice. Okay. Okay, that's a little more liquidy than I thought it would be, but it said to go ahead and mix that tea and juice in there. So now we're gonna get our apples sliced up and ready. There's a lot of music stuff going on in the background. But I'm gonna use this little rolling pin to roll that top pie crust and see if we can get this design on it. I'm just gonna put a little flour down right here. Oh, I almost forgot. We gotta put this butter on the top of our apples here. I just have like close to 2 tablespoons of butter. How much did it say? 2 tablespoons, that's what it said. We're just gonna put a few little butter pieces here and there.
You just hit the downbeat like a 1, and then just a trickle or something behind it.
We got the design on there pretty good. I'm just gonna kind of press it in the middle here so that for sure it'll be on the top of the pie. Around the edges won't be exactly, but it'll be okay. Oh yeah, that's gonna work. Now we'll just go around and trim off anywhere that we need to trim it. I'm just gonna pinch the edges like this, and then we'll trim it over here a little bit. Okay, now we're just gonna make a few little holes in the top.
Changing strings on this guitar, and to be honest with you, I've never changed the strings on this guitar. We got to play tonight. Charlie McVeigh put this bender in this guitar for me. The benders I've had in the past they were different benders, different kind of benders. He puts Brad Paisley's benders in. Back many years ago, like 20 years ago, I wanted him to put a bender in my guitar, and that's when, you know, all that G-bending stuff was getting really popular, and I wanted him to put a bender in my guitar, but he was so backed up, you couldn't, I mean, you could forget it. There was no way to get on the list. It pulls that note up, is what it does. So basically, it gives you a little different sound. When you first start picking a guitar, you know, you're pumped up about it, you definitely want to change your strings all the time, but whenever you've been playing for a while, you want somebody else to change them. You hear that? See, it pulls it up. There you go.
Okay, now in the cookbook, it said to serve this with a slice of sharp cheddar. The music and everything stopped over there.
We had a moment of silence here.
Yeah, I have heard of people eating cheese with apple pie. I can't remember where else I heard it, but I don't have any sharp cheddar. We have some shredded mild cheddar. Would that be the same?
We took a moment of silence for apples everywhere.
Even the TV stopped playing jazz.
I mean, the jazz TV, fall jazz here, just pause for apples all over the earth.
Yeah.
Like cheese?
That's what it says. It looks good.
Oh yeah, that is good.
I'm not sure what the T is for.
Probably darkened it up.
We gotta try it with a little cheese.
Let's put some cheese to
We
it.
gotta see what that's all about. Now, I don't have sharp cheddar, y'all. I've got Colby Jack or I've got mild cheddar. We'll go with mild cheddar since.
We're talking to y'all like Wilson behind the fence right now, but
Okay.
hold on, we're in a moment right now with cheese.
You're not gonna believe that it really goes together.
Like peanut butter and jelly, like cornbread.
Well, I mean, I
and
wouldn't
milk,
say that
like
much, but
pancakes and syrup.
you want a piece, Jonah?
It's kind of got an old-fashioned vibe to it.
Okay. Here you go. Oh, there's your fork. Sorry, I was gonna eat that apple. It really is good. It does have an old-fashioned type taste to it, like it's not super sweet. And even though there is no molasses in there, it almost seems like there's a little molasses in it. I don't know if it's the tea or what doing that, but It's really good. It'll please those who wanted apple pie. Is it good, Jonah? Yep, he's saying yes. Be good with vanilla ice cream, wouldn't it? We don't have any though.
Folks know we're going to make a joyful noise when we're going down there.
I always forget my words, how to play the songs, everything.
She's got all her words wrote down here, so.
Well, mine are in here. Those are yours.
These are mine?
Yeah, those are yours. He only needs it for 2 songs.
Yeah.
For the words, not how to play it. I need it for both.
I need to know how to play it.
I need it for both.
Let's just get real here.
Saturday morning, y'all. I overslept this morning, so now I'm in here very quickly making I'll make sausage patties and then make some gravy with it and some scrambled eggs. Wish I had some of those biscuits left over from the other day or some in the freezer, but I don't have any, so I gotta make this quick. I definitely am looking forward to the coffee this morning. Can you either whisk this or start the eggs for me?
Yeah, I'll whisk.
It's my little bitty old chicken whisk.
Okay. Whipping up some breakfast here. And then we don't know what we're going to be doing. We're going to try our best to get the rest of this metal on these stalls. We might go shop a little bit. We won't shop until we drop, but we will shop
until our feet are tired.
Our feet are tired probably, And then we'll use our eyes to do the rest of the deal with just looking.
Need more milk?
I like to just look anyway, most of the time. I go out and just look.
Yeah, like you see
Imagine.
something you want. Right.
Oh my
Imagine
goodness.
it like in your house. Even
Yeah.
if it's something that you use, imagine you using it.
Yes. Can you imagine what it'd be like? That's
And then see,
funner anyway, where
If
you
you
believe it or
imagine
not.
long enough, you get to the point where you're ready to donate it.
Oh yeah, I'm tired. I'm gonna give that away.
And then you didn't spend that money, see?
Then you're on to the next one.
Yeah. That looks like some good gravy you're making there.
All I'm doing is whisking.
I think you're good on the. If you do you feel like it needs more milk, there's a little bit more.
I'm gonna put a little more milk, everybody.
You gotta feel it with gravy.
Yeah, gravy's all about feel. And shopping's all about looking. I'm getting to use all my senses today, everybody. I'm feeling the gravy. I'm gonna look at some stuff I would like to buy. My taste is fine.
Your sausage and eggs in a bowl covered with gravy, or I sound like Waffle House. You want them smothered and covered?
Smothered and covered half. I want me a bowl smothered, covered, and juggered.
Okay, do you want this to be your bowl? Do you want one piece of sausage or two?
Probably just one
One?
in that bowl. One and a half.
Okay. It's time to eat.